Hi, I'm Rebecca Gunther with www.m5a1photography.com, and I'm going to talk to you about studio lighting techniques. When it comes to studio photography, you're generally going to be shooting tabletop, which is products, which can be anything from actual products to food to something small to even sometimes some art pieces are small enough that they can be shot on tabletop. You can also be shooting portraiture with either a backdrop like this one, which is just a seamless piece of paper, or a canvas backdrop for some portraits, or even fashion. If you have a big enough studio, you can decorate it so that it looks like a home or a restaurant or really any kind of setting. You're really only limited in studio photography by how large your studio is. For example, some studios are large enough that they can drive a vehicle in and photograph a vehicle inside of the studio. Chances are your studio is not that big. Maybe you can only shoot tabletop or maybe only portraiture. The lighting that you're going to use in studio generally will not be natural lighting or daylight lighting. Usually you're going to be using strobes or hot lights. And which one you use is going to depend on what your needs are. You're going to want to keep in mind that the lighting is going to define what the image looks like in the end. So you want to move the lights around, figure out what looks good and what exactly you want your final result to be. And that's some studio photography lighting techniques.